New to the channel. I am Grace, and I've had requests about what do I do for my laundry for my family. As you see here, I make my own laundry soap, which I'll leave it in the description below. I always do my clothes first, and I always wash in cold water. And I do use fabric softener. It is a generic fabric softener that I do, the great value at Walmart. It does help a little bit with it softens your clothes when you line dry them. Here is where I store me and my husband's clothes. As you see, I don't have a lot. I'm outside most of the time. We both work outside. He's a mechanic. And so we don't need that many clothes. I do have some good clothes that are separate that I don't wash with these here. Now, when I unload the laundry here, I always separate. Like I separate my towels, my pants, my shirts, my undergarment on the way I will put them on the line to dry. Might take a little bit of effort, a little bit of time to do that, but when you get out there, it's much easier. So before I head out, my next load would be my husband's load. And so he is, like I said, he's a mechanic. I do like to use a little extra soap on his. I have 2 clotheslines from each tree here. And I do want to apologize. I haven't been able to get a video out in the last 3 weeks due to some health problems here on our homestead has kept me from being able to film. But I think I'm back, and so I'll try to keep things going again. And it's been nice to come back. But as you see, I always do my towels, and you know, those put the towels up first. And it's a nice breezy day. I like it when it's a breezy day out because the laundry dries a whole lot faster. Now, yes, the sun will fade your clothes, but these clothes that I am hanging up here are clothes that we wear outside. I'm outside most of the time with all the gardening and stuff. My husband's outside with him being a mechanic and doing stuff like that. So the sun will fade, but it doesn't matter with these clothes here. But what I'll do with the clothes that I don't want to fade, I do have some nice clothes. I will hang them up on a hanger and hang them up in the basement to line dry down there. And if you notice that I shake all the clothes, by shaking the clothes, the fibers, it loosens the fibers up so it doesn't make your clothes as stiff. And then the wind also helps. Now, I don't use a whole lot of fabric softener with my stuff, just enough to soften the clothes up a little. And a good thing about line drying your clothes like this, that when you take your shower and your towels, they absorb very good, very quickly. I really like the way they absorb. And of course, we all have to have our post to put our clothes up high for everybody to see, right? All right. Now I'll go back down and get my husband's load out here. And, again, like you see here, I separate his clothes. Now, like I said, I do use extra laundry soap for him. I can afford it because of making my own laundry soap, and I will leave right over here in the box here to where you can see my channel and how much it costs me to do a load of laundry. You see there's not much bubble or suds in here, which you don't have to have suds to have clean laundry. Now, after I took Greg's out, now I'm doing Toby's. Toby's laundry. Toby, he is a special need son of ours, and he loves the smell of laundry soap or fabric softener. So I will put a little extra for him. Now, when I go to hang up my husband's pants, now you can do pants two ways that because his are full of holes and grease stains and stuff. And by the way, this laundry soap that I make really gets out the grease. You cannot feel the grease with him being a mechanic, and it really takes the odor out. So because I have the detergent that I use with the Armor All um, baking soda, washing soda for them. Now I hang them up this way, or you can hang them up by the legs. And by doing it by the legs, each leg, all the weight, because the top of the pants is a lot heavier, and if you switch them, hang them by the legs, then that kind of the weight helps draw out some of the wrinkles. But normally I don't have a lot of wrinkles in my clothes. And yes, those are stains. Those are a couple years of stains on there. And don't call that number on there because there's nobody gonna be there. We got these clothes at the we get his work clothes at the thrift stores because he goes through them so much. Those get pretty heavy, this line. Let's take a break here, and I have some baby chicks here that are a week old, and I like to keep an eye on them. This is what I call my broiler house. These are my meat birds in here. I just love to see them little birds run around here. Oh, here. I forgot I took a video inside because it's been like 3 weeks here. But here they are, a week old. They got their heat lamp and everything. Now I'll have these babies here. I usually keep them for 10 weeks before we process them. It breaks my heart though when that day comes. All right, I took a break here in between laundry and made some lasagna here. And again, with my husband's laundry, we sort out. I do the same thing with or not my husband's, Toby's laundry. I sort out the clothes. I put all the socks and the undergarments, at certain spots. So when I go to hang my clothes up, then they're all right there in order. And again, you can hang your laundry any way you want. If you want to hang them from the bottom, hang them from the top, it's whatever you want. Now, Toby always has several loads of laundry. Toby goes through a lot of clothes. He just, I think that's just maybe one part of his disability that he could change up to 3 times a day, which drives me nuts, but if that's what he wants. Now I go through and I sort the socks out like this. Oh, it's kind of nice with my husband having the car hauler underneath the clothesline. Made it a lot easier to, hang up the clothes here. Now, I know this has nothing to do with the laundry, but if you notice, my house is two different colors here. Back 3 years ago, we had my son had done siding, and we had started to put up the siding on our house, and then the COVID came, and they stopped making the color before we could get the rest of it in. So it has taken 3 years for them to come back with the color. So I'm thankful that we did the front of the house first. So next spring here, we are going to finish our house. And as you see, I'm taking the socks down, and I put everything back in the order that I want. I fold my socks up so they're already folded by the time we get in the house. The same with the clothes. Just give them a quick fold, and that way when we get them downstairs, we will hang them up on the hangers. That's our Amish neighbor. We have a freezer, and he comes down and gets ice for his family. This is where my father lives. He's 91 years old. He lives in the little house here, and yes, he still drives. And if you see in my videos, you'll see where he likes to till the garden, and he loves flowers. We're doing Toby's. As I take them off, I have the socks all sorted. And Toby always has a lot of clothes. Bless his heart. Now, Toby will put his own clothes away. Everybody puts their own clothes away. I will do the laundry. I will wash them. I will hang them up. And normally, I have help with these guys taking the clothes down. Now here are the geese all coming in. I got farm fields all around me, and they all fly right over top our house. And it's just beautiful from morning till night. It's nothing but geese sound. I love it, the wild geese. Now I'm cleaning everything up to get ready to go in for the evening. Put everything away. Everything's so calm. Now there's no wind out there. So I'll be hollering for Toby here to come down and help, and he's going to take off running here. That's Toby. Toby just turned 26. He'll be 26 here in a couple weeks.